One, Thomas here, and today I got a message for you, everyone. So, before Jacory, no, not Jacory, Jacory's sister started this channel. She's been making, no, videos, and he make videos for her, and all that stuff that Jacory's been through, and Jacory, she is getting evicted. Yeah, I know it sounds bad. We'll move on to another place and live a better life and make good videos and and I'm sorry, I don't know what to say, but we're getting affected. So that's it for now. Goodbye. Well, at least we're going to move into another house. Goodbye.